राज्यांतल्या कोविड दुयेंतींचेर उपचार करपाक प्लाझ्मा दान करपाक राज्य सरकार कंटेनमेंट झोनाकडेन दोळे लावन बसला, अशें भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांच्यांनी म्हळां। प्लाझ्मा थेरपी कोविड दुयेंती खातीर उत्तम असो उपचार आसा। आतां कोविड दुयेंतीक कोविड तारक जावपाचो वेळ आयला म्हण मंत्री राणे उलयला। RD एक्सपो खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
And as a result of which we can improve ourselves and also ensure that we are able to reduce the deaths due to COVID-19. And what we feel is that plasma, even doctor was talking and sharing about a Mayo Clinic paper that is there, that to plasma to be given at a particular specific SOP which is there. So what we want to do is that to ensure that we are able to carry out a very aggressive plasma donation, encouraging people who have even on home isolation. There was a myth that saying that people who are in home isolation or people who are asymptomatic, their titer will be very low. It is not so. As a result of which, we are also requesting doctor that to request IMA also, because they are in constant touch, talk to them. Doctor was of the opinion that also counselling is required. He has got an NGO actually, Sanjeevani, which is working in Goa, which is associated with Goa Medical College. They will also be sent to the ESI hospital, talking to people, encouraging people, and also we have come out with a newsletter, sort of a newsletter like Donate Plasma and Save Lives. This is just a preliminary what was there for discussion. This will be slightly modified in English and Konkani, and we can have it in English and Konkani, and then basically, share it and use all the forums that are available to send it out through a digital platform so that it reaches out to people. There are several people in Goa and who have recovered from COVID-19, and we need them to come forward. As we speak, we have seen that plasma can do wonders, and plasma has helped in saving people's lives. And as a result, again and again, I constantly, whenever I come in front of you, we use the media, which is a very important part today, to tell the people that it is absolutely, it will not affect the donor in any way. We have got the apheresis machine, we have got every facility that is there to come forward to give the plasma. In GMC, they will check whether the titer is high or it is very low, and then only the plasma, the person will be eligible for plasma donation. Be more than just a COVID survivor, become a COVID savior, and donate plasma and save lives is the campaign which has been designed by the Dean, and the Secretary Health will monitor, and she will herself see that we tie up with various forums to see that this message goes across to the people.